live on both now. I need to invite you to
Okay.
stream together because you can't do that yourself.
This is true. This is true.
Eee. Alright, I invited you. You can join whenever. You said you pushed up things just now?
Yeah. I pushed up the notes that you asked for.
Okay, yeah. Such obsidian now. What's the note called?
Loot something.
Loot something. Loot. Item drops in progression? Yeah, that's not loot something. That's not even remotely close to loot something, actually.
Hey, it's close enough. Let me start my stream. Give me a second here.
Okay.
There we go. Hello, Gangathy. We are now live. Let me send out my stream announcement. I should send the stream announcement like before I go live, but whatever, it's okay. There we go. It sent, and I did not mess up the numbers on the thumbnail this time. For once. So what are we doing today? I don't know what we're doing today. I don't know what I'm doing today.
Give me 2 seconds. I think the main thing that we're doing is just cleaning things up and getting it ready for the demo. Or not demo. Yeah, demo, but also just like playtest update.
Oh yeah, playtest update. We wanted to do that. I did make a bowling ball card.
Okay.
It kind of works.
Okay.
I need to like make some adjustments, but there's a bowling ball. It's basically just a circular brick, but oh. I forgot about this.
Oh, is it helloing you?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep,
What
we were
did
like,
you
make it
do?
something obnoxious so you don't forget to do it. Yep, there it is.
Might be the worst thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, you didn't see it.
It doesn't do it for the ones in the menu though.
Yeah, because those have the sound already.
Oh, okay. How do I open like the regular pause menu?
You can't.
Oh, okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It doesn't do it for like any of these, I think.
Well, yeah, because those don't have like focus ability because they're debug options.
Oh, yeah, okay. This looks pretty cool.
Yeah, and I guess, you know what, fuck it. Try it on your thing. Can you add a card and then just hit the add all stickers button?
Add card.
Mm-hmm.
Add all stickers.
And then see what that looks like in the menu for you. Just want to make sure that it's not enough to scroll. If you add like, I don't know if there's anything else to get it to scroll actually.
I mean, it probably depends on the card too. If I add like a, I think
Yeah,
Salmon Storm has a
probably
lot.
has more. Nope, somehow has less.
I guess it's wait, yeah, because it's inaccuracy.
Yeah.
Yeah. What has more?
I don't know if there is anything that has more. Than just like a gun. I'd be very surprised if that did.
Probably the same. Yeah, it's the same.
So that'll have to be cleaned up. But if you make the window like shorter, it should introduce, like it should add the scroll.
What?
Right? Oh no. What?
No.
Why not?
Well, duh, because this isn't gonna stretch.
But
like the book thing, it wouldn't stretch.
Where the fuck is the scroll? Wait, I had this scrolling the other day. What the fuck? Something happened? Weird. Oh no, it's because I removed a thing. I remember it was the
thing.
God, what was it?
Size and hand from the negative sticker.
Yeah.
I think this looks really good though.
Yeah, and it like functions, which is like the cool thing.
Yeah.
Oops,
And the text over here looks better now.
Yeah.
Just need to get rid of like the the floats.
Yeah, but what do you want that to be for the, like, what do you mean? Oh,
Like
like
he's
for
in, like,
inaccuracy and
2.0.
bounces.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which can be done.
Oh, I didn't want to close that. I wanted to show you the bowling ball.
What was I doing? What did I just try to do? I tried to open up the forge, and I spawned in the forge UI instead of the forge itself. And that crashed.
I hate the sounds. It's so annoying.
Yeah, that's the point, dude.
Bowling ball, where are you?
Oh, and that's gonna be at the bottom of the fucking list because it has all of the stickers on it.
I need to find a better sound for the bowling ball, but it works.
I guess I can add... This doesn't have multi-shot in the list of things, does it? Oh no, it does extra projectiles. Let me just add size and hand back.
Alright.
Just for card and size property.
I don't know if I ever actually tried a level with the bowling ball. Let's
Yes,
try that.
Alright, let me make my list of things that I need to do today, because there's quite a few things. Today is April 12th. Let me see, I'll just item drop some progression, I'll take a screenshot. Oh no, I can open up both of these, duh, because Obsidian has that, duh. Am I stupid or dumb? Alright, here we go. So,
I think go ahead.
goal... Sorry, what were you gonna say? Were you gonna say something?
I was gonna say I think the bowling ball should only be. Oop, is this broken? Oh yeah, it is. I think the bowling ball should only be active if it's going over a certain speed.
Yeah, does it... Oh, you didn't give it the hitbox that does that?
I didn't know that was a thing.
Yeah, I think the brick has a hitbox that is like a velocity-based hitbox.
I'll check.
Also, those feel very low weight for bowling balls.
I can increase the weight. I was messing around with the
Yeah.
physics.
Yeah, I think if you go to brick,
So,
it should have the hitbox on it should be velocity.
Oh, min velocity? I didn't even know it was a thing. Oh, it was a velocity hard box. I didn't see that.
Yeah. Because we wanted, I imagined that there would be a lot more thrown things, which I guess there is now. You can just replace, you can go to Hurtbox component that you've got there and you can just change type.
Oh, can you do that?
Yeah, right click Hurtbox component and then change type.
Oh. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We'll just do 300 since that's what the brick said.
Yeah.
The
And if
brick
you
is
also
always
turn on
very-
collision, it'll be red when it's active and not red when it isn't.
Okay.
I think. I'm pretty sure, at least. So the goal is...
The hellos are gonna kill me.
Yeah.
It's so annoying.
Or finish up playtest update. So the main things are... Wait, are they dealing damage at all?
No.
Why? That's weird.
I don't know.
Turn on collision. I guess not red, but... Why is it not? What does brick do? Does brick do something specific with it? Because I didn't think it would. Oh, that's funny, actually. I may be a little stupid. So Velocity Hurtbox doesn't actually do the attack, I don't believe, it looks like.
Oh?
It just... Wait, is this the right thing? Yeah. Yes. What does the attack? I don't remember where the fuck this is. Oh, yeah, okay, I remember. Because... Yeah.
Wait, what is this doing?
So this just turns on and off the hitbox based on the velocity. It doesn't actually deal damage. The damage is something, because the brick...
So where's the... On the brick, where's the damage coming from?
So the brick is a card attack.
Oh.
And that handles the damaging for it.
Oh.
Is the bowling ball also a card attack?
Oh, so I just need to give it the
yeah.
fuck. There we go.
You should be able to, and then that should do it.
That's so weird. I did not know that was what that was doing.
Yeah, it's been a minute since I looked at this code, and this was before any of the component stuff that was retrofitted in. I honestly probably would rewrite some of this stuff.
Before you knew what you were doing?
No, I still think this is a fine enough pattern, but I think that I like what we're doing otherwise better. Okay. List. So, UI changes.
Yeah, it's working now.
Which include... I'm gonna put this towards the bottom of the list because I can do this off stream. I don't want to do UI for everything. Drop table. Room.
Maybe we make that like 200, 250.
Are we putting we're putting chests in the game currently? Yes, like lock chests.
Yes.
Okay. Chests.
So it'd be like Gungeon where there's like a guaranteed number of them that just spawn in their own rooms, and then there's like a chance to drop one at the end of every room.
Does Gungeon ever drop lock chests at the end of rooms?
Yes.
Really? Damn. What are the chances that it's a locked chest?
I don't know.
Chest rooms. Guaranteed amount. Locked chest.
Oh.
Shop, I need tooltip and buying relic. I need extra item. Or like, what is it? Like extra item product purchase, like table or whatever. I'll just put table, which includes keys and hearts, probably. I don't remember exactly what all we had. I need to do the settings menu, the card collection, and I think that'll be it for this update. So let's start with a configurable loot thing. I guess the question is actually, will we be changing loot ever?
What do you mean changing loot?
Like, so do I code this in such a way that it's like we have one loot table for all regular rooms, or is it like on this floor it's this loot table and this floor it's this loot table and so on?
Let me think.
At least for... actually... No, sorry. You can think.
I'm thinking. We will probably have different loot tables for different floors, I would assume. But I'm not 100% sure. Why is Twitch recommending me furries? I don't know. Why are you telling us that? Shouldn't you be like eating pizza or whatever?
It's the only thing that This motherfucker knows is in Italy. It's just pizza.
Am I wrong?
They also have boats in that one city, I think.
Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right. It's like I forget what it's called.
Like thin ice or some shit.
Yeah.
I think. Because I'm sorry, I'm still on the loot thing. I'm thinking maybe we can have just like a generic, this is your loot roll for like the actual thing that it spawns. Like if it spawns like a chest or whatever, and then once it decides to spawn something, we can have a loot for like what actually drops from it. But I don't know if we want to do that. I also want to make.
Could you just like repeat what you just said again, because I didn't hear any of it.
So like we can have like a generic, this is our chance to drop like these things on any room completion, and then once that actually drops, like let's say a chest drops, we can have a loot table based on what floor you're on inside of the chest. So the actual drop from the chest is based on the floor, whereas the chance to have a chest drop is not based on the floor.
I think the opposite. I think there should be a different chest drop rate for each floor, and then at the end of the chest itself always has a consistent drop rate. So for example, in Gungeon, all the different chests actually coordinate to a item rarity type, and I'm pretty sure it's guaranteed that the chest will have that rarity or higher in it. So like the brown chest's like the worst one, and then there's the blue, I think it was blue-green, the big red one, and then the big black one with like the skulls on it.
Yeah.
Which I like a lot better, because then it's like, oh, you see the big rare chest and you know you're gonna get something really good from it.
Yeah.
Which makes like a lot more sense. So that way you can decide, oh,
maybe
this one's a big red chest, this one's a little brown chest. Well, I'm gonna use my one key and open the big red chest.
Yeah. Sure. I'm just thinking of how we want to set this up to do, like...
I also was looking for the loot tables for Gungeon. It is the same where on the first floor it's like a 50% chance to get a brown chest, like a 25 to get like a blue, and like a
really
10 to get a green. It's like, I don't know if it's quite that high, but it's the really common chests are so common in the first couple levels, and then in like the last one, the super big chests are a lot more common. Let me just pull it up now, so I'm not just saying random numbers.
Yeah.
Let's see,
I'm also pulling up the wiki loot table.
Well, I'm pulling it up first.
Okay.
That's not where it is. He doesn't know. Okay. So here, on floor 1, it is a 35% chance to get a D tier chest, a 32% chance to get a C tier chest, 20% B, 9% A, 4% S. And then on the last floor, there's a 0% for a D chest, 10% for C, 40% for
You don't have to
B,
read out all the numbers. But yeah, I see what you're saying.
Well, I'm reading them out for the chat.
Yeah, you could just be like, it's a higher... Yeah.
I like numbers, okay?
No, you don't. Don't
let
fucking
me enjoy
lie.
my numbers.
Do not lie
numbers.
to people like
I
that.
love numbers.
You do not love numbers.
Okay, I was lying. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So what
I
are the
don't actually
chances
like
for
numbers.
these fun chests then? 5% chance to appear in reward rooms after... Okay.
Yeah,
reward
I
rooms
think a lot
meaning-
of these... What was that?
What is a reward room?
rooms? That's like the chest rooms.
Just a chest room in general is just a...
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm guessing that it probably rolls these before it would roll the chest roll, so it'd be like, oh, there's a 5% to get a synergy chest, and then if you don't get one, then it rolls the regular chests. But I imagine that a lot of these are rare enough that like it's kind of hard to know exactly how it works without looking it up, or looking in the game itself. Which I don't know how they got these numbers, so.
Probably looking in the game itself, it's written in C#.
Sure.
Yeah, I mean, I think functionally it doesn't matter if they roll the chest and then see if it should be replaced with a synergy chest, or if they roll to see if they should be a synergy chest and then roll the regular.
I mean, yeah.
Functionally should be the same, but yeah. Okay, I can I'm thinking about how to set this up in such a way that makes it easy for you to edit, because I don't want to just write everything in code.
Yeah.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Yo, they got the lamb chest spawned by the Baba Lord Shrine and the Keepa the Lead Lord in the Chinese mobile version.
Oh, that's kind of sick. All right, I'm glad that we know about that.
It's good to know.
So question for you. Do we have any other chest versions right now?
I don't know.
Oh,
yes, we do.
We do. Interesting.
You can just use those for now. I probably will redraw them. They're a little ugly, but...
So how does this... Oh, they're not exported their own textures, are they? I imagine. No, it doesn't look like it. That's okay. I can separate these in Sprite.
Sure.
I should really get a standalone.
They're kind of ugly anyway, so...
Yeah, I should get standalone Sprite on my fucking Linux instead of using the Steam version.
Oh, use the Steam version?
Yeah, because it's just like... I was like, I don't feel like finding out what my Humble Bundle login is to find that shit again.
Wait, why do you get it on Humble Bundle?
Where else do you get it?
Itch?
I don't believe it was on Itch when I bought it. But maybe?
I doubt it, but okay. Oh, I completely missed Axel saying I'm eating pizza right now. My mic was in the way. I need to move my mic. My mic is like always in the way, no matter where I put it.
Wait, what? Where are the other chests? Oh, chest test 1. This is the one.
Yep, that's the one. Okay. Slightly less in the way. I hate this mic. I have like the world's worst mic stand.
Really? I would like to counterpoint that.
Does your mic stand at least like stay in position?
Sometimes. Not all the time.
Mine is like for some, so it's weird. Instead of having like the springs, like I assume yours does, it has like an some kind of elastic thing that just goes through the entire thing. So it'll always try to pull it to the same tension. So if you like tighten it too much, the whole thing will just try to like straighten out. And I can't figure out how to like loosen the tension properly. Like I've tried it multiple times and it just like never loosens properly. I'll make sure there's a 1 pixel gap for outlines on it.
I'm gonna get them to the exact same size the other one is. Don't worry.
Alright.
Can I not tell them? I forget. I can't just like say, yo dog, I've got oh no, I can. It's 2 by 2. Oh, and you need to be offset a little bit, like minus like 4 or some shit. Yeah, cool. And then I'm doing this the worst way possible, but I just want to make it easy to just drag and drop them.
Many such cases.
Yes,
I think, wait. You think you might have to delete the top part?
Oh no, that's so fine actually. That's so fine. What the fuck is that? Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa. Oh shit, just the top of the chest. Cool. Yeah, I'll make this a different size, whatever. +8. Do you fit there? You do.
I did not think about what I was going to do at all today.
At all?
I was like, I'm gonna... Yeah, I was too focused on like fixing my mic some more and cleaning stuff up, and then I just forgot that I actually have to do stuff on stream, you know?
Only sometimes. You don't always have to, but...
Yeah.
I can't be writing cool shaders every day, unfortunately.
Yeah. I also thought of getting some like some lights so I could maybe use my camera at some point, and then I realized that would mean that I can't just like sit and watch TikToks while you do all the work.
Yeah, no, that's
sad.
Not,
so
yeah, that's like a deal breaker.
I don't know if that's ever happening. Yeah.
Where is so assets? Tile maps. It's under tile maps. No. It's under assets.
Don't worry about
Probably
it.
Like
Don't worry about
We
it.
should just have like an objects or something, but I guess this works.
We
Room
do.
objects. Well, we don't. We have sprites, which describes everything in the game. And then we have inside of that room objects, which is fine, I guess. But I make a new
Don't
folder.
worry about
I
it.
can't make a new folder in Sprite. Am I stupid? Oh no, I can't. There's a button there. Lol. Sprites, new folder.
We worked on some more content. We have the where's the to-do board thing? Bitty to-do board, as in both of us to-do board, but I decided to call it Bitty to-do board. Let me adjust the bowling ball some more. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Okay, how does this bowling ball look like physics-wise?
It's a bowling ball.
Oh, I
Something
see. I
about
think
it,
it's
it's
doing some
moving
weird
very
stuff.
fast. I feel like it should
It's
like
doing some weird stuff when I because I'm inside of the platform here. It's a drop-through platform, so when I spawn it, it like snaps to the top of it. That's really funny.
I feel like with the bowling balls, they should be like slower. I feel like, and like hit
A little
hard.
slower.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like they just kind of like they arc through the fucking air and they just fucking wow. You got this, buddy. You can figure it out. I believe in you.
Yeah, I'm figuring it out. Don't worry. That's not gonna update, is it? Oh, I'm so sore today. My brother made me go to his stupid ultimate frisbee practice yesterday.
No, poor you, man. It's so tragic. I'm sorry you had to put up with something like that.
It was awful.
Is there a
Like
way to
this.
tell Godot that whenever I move something by a pixel, I actually mean move this motherfucker by 4 pixels? Just globally? The answer is no, unfortunately.
No, there isn't. There we go. I think, yeah, you're right. That does look better like this. I think that also makes it, because I think before it was a lot like the brick where you could just like throw it up in the air at things.
Yeah,
But I think this kind of incentivizes like throwing it off to the side.
yeah.
Because it
Which
also has
does give
very
you,
low
like, a
friction.
lob or something.
Yeah, it has very low friction, so it can go pretty far.
Oh, that's fun.
It's because this is a drop-through platform here.
That's
It's hitting the
weird.
side of it.
What?
What? It's because its velocity is downward, and if the velocity is downward, then it'll hit the platform.
Shouldn't be. It should be based on whether or not the center is above the thing. Or it should be... Yeah, it should be based entirely on whether or not it's already cleared the hitbox of that. Like, let me spawn in a... What's a drop? Do we have a drop through of anything? Or is it just... It's just in the levels. What room is a drop through that's good to go to? Room 1. The goat. Yeah. Let me turn on...
Room 1?
Room 1.
Like, room 2,
This should be based on like whether or not all of the physics body has cleared the thing. It's like you can see that even though the player has downward velocity, I'm trying to think of a good way to show that I'm holding down. I'll pause the game whenever I stop holding down. So I'm not holding down anymore, and I keep falling through it, even though I should be interacting with it because the player's already cleared the, like,
I don't know.
the thing, I guess. I don't know how to describe it, but like once the body passes like a pixel threshold, it no longer collides with the thing anymore. So I don't know why it's colliding with that. That's really weird.
But I do think they feel better now. Let me try the actual level with them. I also need to work on like the train animations and stuff. I don't know exactly how I want to have them set up though, so might have to think about that one a little bit more.
Ah, shit. I forgot. This isn't set up to use. This is set up to do some weird shit. That's okay. I need to go into the fucking file system and edit this scene. I think that'll be...
We need another ground enemy.
Huh?
We need another ground enemy.
Yeah. Yeah, we do.
Yeah, maybe the 20 damage wasn't like OP.
Does it bounce off enemies or does it go through them?
Mm-hmm. It goes through them.
Okay.
So you can like line them up and hit all of them.
Does brick bounce off enemies?
Yes, it does.
Do you promise?
I promise.
That's a gun.
That's not a brick.
Yeah, because I loaded directly into... Brick bounces off enemies, I heard. That's weird. That's very weird. You know, this brick is... Yeah, no, this brick is definitely bouncing off of enemies.
It just bounces in like the opposite direction, you know?
It doesn't.
Yeah, well, like it hits it and then it bounces. It bounces and it goes the other way.
No, it doesn't.
That's bouncing.
It wasn't bouncing.
Yeah, it bounced. It just didn't bounce like normally.
It went through it and bounced off the wall.
But yeah, it bounced off of it. Then when it went like
no, it bounced off the wall. It didn't bounce off the enemy. Brick doesn't bounce off enemies, brother. Why'd you promise me that?
It literally does. You're just making stuff up now.
Why'd you promise me?
See, look, it bounced. You can literally see it bouncing.
Brother, he promised me something and he didn't mean it. I feel betrayed.
It's over. I'm sorry.
Yeah, Tempera Cat Games is a terrible person. We all knew this was true.
True. I love how the bowling ball just destroys the eggs from the hive guy.
As it should. A bowling ball should 100% crush those motherfuckers.
Oh, another thing I was thinking of that I noticed when I was playing Neon Abyss is one thing we might want to have is, see how when I'm in this corner here, at the corner of the map, there's like all this blank space?
Yeah.
Have like some sort of
like a
boundary, like map boundary, yeah, so that way when you're up against the edge, it pushes the camera, so that way it only shows the actual part of the map.
You can try it.
I don't know how hard, like that would obviously be something you'd have to do, but
yeah,
I think that would be, because that could also be nice, like even here, like when I'm just standing on the ground here, there's a lot of space down here.
Yeah.
Maybe only at like the lowest points, but I think that could improve the camera a bit.
That. I'll put it on a list. I'll put it on my today list, but it's not going to be done a today thing probably.
Yeah, it's good.
Map boundary camera push. Because yeah, I definitely wouldn't want that to be like a thing that we have to manually go in and set for each level or each room, because that would be maybe a little annoying and tedious if we ever change anything.
Not really. I mean, actually, we could probably. I'm trying trying to think. We have the
camera has a
navigation.
boundary thing.
Wait, what do you mean?
Like cameras just have a boundary thing in Godot built into them. I think you could just go into it and set that. But yeah, no, I know what you're. Yeah, we have our navigation thing and we can set that up.
Yeah, so like there's the navigation
Mhm.
here, and we could have something that could just be like, oh, at the lowest point here, at the highest point here, like just draw a box around it.
Yeah.
And be like, the camera can't go past that.
We're already. I mean, that's not hard to do because we're already doing like let me tile navigation. I'm pretty sure. The navigation region.getBounds is literally already a thing that. Like,
okay. Cool.
Is the room is not like a. I'm trying to think of the question. It's not a tool script. Is it navigation region is though? Like here, I'll toss you a bit of code really quickly.
Yeah. The only thing I was thinking is like there'll probably be certain rooms where like it could be more optimized if there was a like non-rectangle shape for it, but that would probably just add more complication to it.
Yeah.
Which we don't need.
That's
Because you already have way too many things to program. And I have too many things to draw that I'm not drawing. What if I did the bat right now?
Go into navigation region 2D. Or like
Okay.
over on the far right, script on the navigation region.
Mm-hmm.
Scroll down. Basically above the object order info class, or I mean you can do it fucking whenever, it doesn't matter, but just add a function _draw.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have you write this code really quickly. I don't feel like pasting right now.
Mm-hmm.
If not engine.isEditor hint return. And then draw rect. Get bounds. Comma color.red. Color's a capital C. And then comma false.
Can I make it purple?
You can make it whatever you want, man. It doesn't matter.
Well, I want it to be purple.
And then, actually also, that's fine. Never mind. You're good. If you save that and then go back in and set the Z index of that up above 0. Fuck. Where's the... Huh? Toggle the visibility of it. Turn it off and back on. So that rectangle there is the bounds of the navigation region. So that's something that we already basically have access to.
Okay, that's sick. And then you just basically set the camera bounds to that.
Yeah, pretty much. And that also gets rebaked. So if you actually hit rebake on that navigation region, I believe it should. Oh no, the exits are actually excluded from that. That's fine. Never mind. But there's a couple other things where if it's like we want to include the exits, or if we want to push the exits closer to the camera, we can expand the rectangle to envelop that. But like just built into the navigation region, we have the ability to get bounds.
Yeah, that's sick.
Yeah. All right, then you can reset the Z index, or you can leave it. It doesn't matter, and you can kill the function. Actually, reset the Z index. I don't want you committing that up.
Yeah. I mean, there's probably some simple way I could implement that now, but I won't.
Yeah, probably.
Although,
not. I mean, you can if you want. Okay.
Just kidding. I don't know where to start with that. That's okay.
Where the hell am I? Oh my god, I don't know how to. Oh
I
my
love this
god.
little tiny polygon in here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Beautiful.
It actually means a lot. Because that means that's like a valid position. So anything inside of those polygons are valid positions, specifically.
Yeah.
So like it doesn't need to take up the whole space. Where is...
I still don't know what any of these items are gonna do. I
Any of
figured
them?
it out.
I don't know what the fuck the salmon's gonna do. What's a...
Oh, that one. I don't know if I like that one because I just stole the art that I made and rotated it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think it was going to like on when like you hit an enemy or something like that. There's like a chance for it to spawn a salmon.
Oh, like beehive, but...
Mm-hmm.
I see.
But salmon. Yeah.
But salmon. $60. Yeah. I love editing animations by the code.
What are you doing?
I had to move the sprite of the chest down 3 pixels. And the animations edit the position, so I had to go in and edit every frame of the thing.
Oh, it's because I did the funny thing where
yeah.
I didn't set the
Yeah.
You could have just set the
Correct, yeah.
You could have set the pivot and then
no, because
although I guess it's rotating it.
I'm not
too,
remaking the
so you'd have
animations.
yeah.
Ain't doing that shit. That should use the new sprite.
Can you guys tell he isn't an artist?
Because why? What do you mean?
Because he doesn't want to mess with animations.
Animations
Guy
are like
hates
the one
art.
part that I like don't hate, but
Well, then why don't you remake the animation?
because I don't want to. I don't want to sit there and remake the animation because I got something more important to do.
See,
You
hear
guys
that?
tell that he's an artist because
He's not a real
is trying
artist.
to get me distracted instead of being productive.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
not being productive. I genuinely don't know what I'm doing right now.
No, genuinely so fucking real. Why is this invisible on start? Does the reset have this motherfucker invisible, I guess? Oh, because it's the spawn animation. Let's see. If not, treat dot pause. No, if paused, then I want to condition clicker dot play set. I think that's what I want to do.
Oh, we still need to add crits. I keep forgetting about that. Like actually in the game, like playable.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to add a relic or something that does that, or if you just want to add it.
Well, I mean, like, yeah, like by default, things should have a chance to crit.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know how you set that up because
What
I
do you want it
started
to
doing
be?
it and then you changed it.
Do you want it to be everything by default has a chance to crit, or do you want it to be per, like...
I think, yeah, by default, like maybe on the card, there's a crit chance that
we
is
can
just a
also-
default number, and then we can change it individually, and then we could also have modifiers that change that.
Because if we want it to be just like any attack the player does has like a, by default, 10% chance to crit, we can set that on the player, and then on the cards, if we want them to have a lower or higher chance, we can add that as like a modifier to it.
Maybe. I was thinking it would just be on the card, there's like a default amount, and then you can change that.
I mean, we can.
And then like items can adjust the universal amount, and then stickers could adjust the individual amount.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to do that, we
So
can.
like the bit, I think the cards makes the most sense.
Then, recommended place for that would probably be the... either the init method or the from card method of card instance.
Okay.
That's at least what I would think of.
The init, or what was the other one from card?
Init or from card. I actually don't know if we're using init in card instance. We are not. It would probably be from card. You would just add like a... You would probably just add a crit modifier to it.
We don't have a crit in here already.
No.
Okay.
Well, it's a property, so you would just do
Yeah.
like util dot add component. Like I think it's called like crit chance property dot new and
Hey,
then the card.
oh, I was thinking it would just be like a default thing, like
No.
damage or.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
I mean that we already have a bunch of those. Why would we just add another one?
Because we don't need it to be a thing. Because crit chance is like a. Instead of modifying the thing, like it's already set up that if anything, any attack that's done has a crit chance attached to it, it rolls the crit chance for us.
Oh, okay.
So like all you have to do is add like the property there that you want.
Okay. So util dot. No.
I think set component is what it's called for the.
Yeah. And this would be on instance.
Let's see. So chest.
Critical chance property.
Yeah. Okay, actually, I'm gonna put you on screen. I really have to use the bathroom, so I'll be right back.
All right.
Quick.
Good luck. I have no clue how this works. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Good default. You gotta set this to a variable. So crit chance. Equal. Oh, that doesn't work. What is this doing? Okay. What is this? I'm so confused. That's okay. I genuinely have no clue what this is doing right now. And I don't know how to set it up. Let me look.
Okay.
Hello.
I'm back.
I have no clue what this is doing.
What's up?
Or what I'm supposed to do with this.
Let me see what you're doing.
What does that component do?
It's just a property. So you do .new off that?
Oh, okay. That new?
Like .new off of critical chance property.
Oh, I see. Here.
And then if you want it to have a default, or actually, bring that out to a variable.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. And then you should be able to do crit chance dot multiplier. Like
here?
next. No, between those two lines.
Oh.
I don't know why you declared a new variable though.
I don't know what I'm doing right now. I
That's
don't.
okay. It's so fun to try to read this code as it's happening on the 720p.
Is equal to set it to like default like
Yeah, whatever you
0.1. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
And I think that technically should be it. Personal. Yeah, that should be fine. Actually, if you want to
I
try
hate
that.
how everything's a multiplier, even if it isn't a multiplier.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean.
That's okay. So would this just...
Should.
Is there anything else?
No, I think that should just work.
Okay.
If I coded it right, which I think I did. Because I tried this with the player before, just adding in like crit chance to them or to the card.
Hello.
Hello. Yep.
It's so annoying.
Yes, sir.
I'll change it.
Uh-oh.
I'm adding it to the instance. Is that what should I be adding it to?
Should be, yeah. Does that not? Hold on, let me think for a moment. Why does that not? Let me look at card instance. What is card instance doing? Oh, this is doing something with base property, isn't it? Yeah. Base property. It's doing like reset properties, I think. No. Yes? Can you do me a favor? And actually, I can recreate what you've got there, and I'll just look really quickly. Because I thought that would just work, and I'm kind of surprised it isn't. Let me also turn your screen share off, so I'll just get dot multipliers equal to 0.1. Zero. Zero?
Zero?
Zero. Zero. Is it because of this thing? Recalculate multiplier. Oh, I see what's happening here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do me a favor then. So you can kill line 91 for you.
91, okay.
Mm-hmm. And then go to critical chance property. Like the actual class.
Okay.
And then change that default multiplier there.
Okay.
And then you should be able to save and add a new card to your hand. I think it'll update in real time, hopefully.
Whoa.
Hooray. And if you want a card to remove or to have a lower crit chance, you can remove from the amount. Like you can do like minus like 0.05 or something.
Is there a way I could just have that like in the card resource? Like if I just wanted to say AK and just be like, oh, I want the crit chance to be like 20%.
Currently,
I mean, that's why I wanted to put it in the just in the default card instance thing, so I could just have it in here. Just like the regular stats.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you could add it to that if you want. Yeah, you can just do it the property or the in the card way if you want to do the export variable. Because I was,
Okay.
yeah.
Unless
I
you
don't.
have like a better way you want to do that. But...
I have something that would be nice, but it doesn't matter as much, and I'm not gonna tell you to hold off on that before and let me do the thing.
Okay.
Like other things.
I just need to remember how I have all of these set up, but I don't think it's complicated.
Yeah, you can just I don't think you actually need to do anything particularly interesting.
The main thing is just set it. Where do I set this since it wasn't working to set it here? Because normally I would change like instance.crit chance is equal to card.crit chance.
Yeah, so you're gonna add a new crit chance variable on the card if that's what you wanted to have it like editable through the thing, and then
yes, on the card.
the
But what I'm saying is like
yeah,
if I
to
change
roll
it
it
here
with,
and
like,
then
the
set
help or
it
something.
here, it would break because when we tried setting it here before, it got reset.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna need some changes, I think, for it to. Oh God,
What is?
let me think actually for a second. How are the modifiers working in the card? I might actually have you do the other way, actually, just because you would need to. There would need to be changes made for the.
Yeah. Either way, stuff will probably need to get changed.
Where the fuck are the? There's no other usage of modifier in here. Oh no, I guess there is. Weird. Sorry, I might just write this really quickly.
That's okay. Yeah. I will find something else to work on, I guess. Hold up, but it's not a cool card idea. What if we had like a X cost card that made it that you just shot out like a certain number of projectiles in random directions based on how much mana it cost?
Ooh, that's actually pretty cool.
So basically, just use up your entire bar to just like shoot out
just like a barrage
stuff
or
everywhere.
some shit.
Yeah, and maybe they'd like bounce as well.
That's actually kind of sick.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sorry.
We'll say like, yeah, X cost that shoots out projectiles everywhere based on how much you paid. Did I export all the card art, or not card, item art?
Did you say did you or should you?
Did I?
I don't know. I just sent you a couple of things of code that should be, I think, what you need.
Grrr.
Okay,
Okay.
my fault. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry for party rocking, brother. Let's see. So let's make a chest loot drop thing. I don't want to do this actually. What is excluded? Oh, never mind.
Card instance 279.
It might be off a little bit. It's just at the end of that function.
Okay, you're wrong. It was actually
Yeah, because you added a
282.
couple of lines of code.
Like, I hate how it does this.
I think you can fix it if you like highlight it all and then do edit, indentation,
Highlight it
convert
all.
indent to tabs.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, it's up in the top under edit, convert indent to tabs. Edit.
Top.
It's
Edit.
looking anywhere other than the Godot window was crazy. By the way, going over to your Twitch chat on the left is insane.
I didn't, did I?
You went past the window, yeah.
Oh, well, that was just, I was looking at the...
Yeah.
Wait, which one do I want? Indent.
To tabs.
Yeah, there we go, I got it.
Yeah.
Critical modifier.
Mhm.
Oh, is that... Wait.
The other block of code that I sent you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, is that not a thing that exists? I had to make that, okay.
Yep.
I missed that part. That's okay.
Oh, wait, what is... Oh, shit, chests are going to be dropping something completely different now, right?
What do you mean?
What do chests drop? What are we going to make them drop? Because currently we're spawning a chest every room. And that's why
Yeah.
it's dropping a card or a relic, and then the extras. What are they doing now? Like, because in Gungeon, it's like one chest drops either a gun, and the other chest drops like a accessory. I think they're called in Gungeon.
I'd say probably just items, and maybe... Yeah, I forgot that, like... cards are different than like Gunshin.
Yeah, like where are cards gonna drop? I wonder. I don't think we have that in our list of.
We could just have that you get like a card at the end of every room.
Slay the Spire style.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. We'll
Although
see.
I feel like I don't know if we have enough cards that to really work. But
probably not. We'll see.
but we could probably try that. Yeah,
Yep.
I think that would probably work.
Yeah, we'll give it a shot.
Maybe.
So just do table.
Although we might just want to have it like, if we did do that, just have it automatically like pop up the card select rather than drop like a pack.
Automatically
Because then you
popping it up feels like it maybe be a little like jarring. You kill an enemy
Maybe.
and it's instantly. I'm not sure how.
I feel like that because then you could like save the packs for later, which I guess is not bad, but like,
Yeah.
or we could pull a Gunshin and have something that like steals items if you don't pick them up.
Good. I'm not sure though. I definitely think that if we did something like that, I wouldn't want it to be like an instant the second like an enemy dies. I think it should be maybe like
Yeah,
a pack spawns, and then it like whenever you get hit with something that gives you dazed in Slay the Spire, how it like pops up on the screen and then it like flies into your deck. It kind of does that, and then the pack flies into you, or something.
Maybe. I think we'll have to think about that one. I'm not sure. Oh, hello. Thank you for the raid.
Like tiny questions. like that.
Arboring. Or Arboring.
Welcome in.
I can never pronounce people's names. It's like,
Arboring.
I just need to stop
like,
trying.
Arboring like trees?
No, it's Rburing.
Oh, like trees.
Like trees, yeah.
Yeah,
Like trees.
like trees.
How are you doing? Are you also
I'm doing good.
game dev? Or I wasn't talking to you.
Oh, okay.
Shut up.
Okay.
That's okay. You also game dev or artist? If you're an artist, like it's a lot cooler, but I'll take game devs as well, you know?
So we want chests to only drop relics, right? Like that's what we're doing right now.
Yeah, I think so.
So would it just be like a minimum rarity for the chest?
Yes.
Okay.
So there'd be one that would drop common, one that would drop rare, one would drop the legendary or whatever we're calling it.
Yeah.
And then they could also have a chance to drop like an additional key or money or parts if we want. That's up to you though.
Yeah. I guess I'm also. Let me just code shit and then I'll figure it out.
Okay.
Because I also want there to be an easy to edit way of like because there's the chest loot itself, and there's also like the chance of what chest to drop, and then like you know.
Yeah.
Oh, I could go crazy with the thing that I just thought about, I think.
Does the crit modifier, does it default to like, or whatever it is, does it still default to 0.1? Oh, I guess it does because it's
are you still creating the crit chance property? Or did you
no,
get rid of it?
what?
Did you get rid of the crit chance property thing that was there?
I think I might have, yeah, I think I did.
Okay,
Did I need that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Jeez. Don't worry about it. There you go.
Oh wow, that's
Okay,
way
so that's-
higher than. Or
That's
did you?
because I said it's a 50%, yeah.
Okay. You said it at
Crazy, I know.
50%, so it's up to like
Yeah.
60 now.
Yeah. Okay, and on here it's like a lot less. Okay, sick.
Yeah, and then I think you should also be able to set it to like a, like if you did like minus 0.1, I think that would just make it so it has no chance of critting. Hopefully.
Yeah. I think that was the only thing is that I didn't really like is how the default is set like in the property itself. So when you add it, it like automatically has 0.1.
Mm-hmm.
But that's probably fine. Thinking. I was gonna say something. Game looks cool, thank you. It is a real-time deck builder. So I'll just play the game. Why not? I love playing my own game. So essentially it's like a action roguelite, whatever you want to call it. Which one are we calling it? Which one is it?
It's a roguelike with a K.
Okay, roguelike with a K. With a K. But play cards instead of hitting things. Oh, I mean you still hit things, but you use the cards to hit things. And then unlike a traditional deck builder, as you can tell, it is not turn-based. We were working on it for about 2 years now.
Just very.
So we're working on getting a demo ready for an event next month. So that's fun. I still need to add a crit sound. Do we have a I'm thinking.
Hmm?
I think right now the damage sound is on the enemies. Which I might get rid of and put it. Nah.
What is this?
I don't know where I want it.
Oh, it's a string. Never mind. That was way cooler than I thought it would be. Hi, sad face. Hi, happy face. How are you? I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing? Jasper. Let's see. Is there a thing that I can do?
This is some beautiful test text here.
Is there?
It looks great.
I needed a lot of text to see if how it looked with a lot of font. With a lot of font. With a lot of text.
With a lot of font.
Mm-hmm.
Also probably want to just have it have a blank background on here.
Hmm?
Or at least like faded a bit when you pause.
Oh, yeah.
I mean obviously it's not done
Yeah,
yet,
yeah.
but like faded out the background. Make it a little darker. Maybe like maybe the background kind of fades and then the binder book or whatever we're calling it just like slides in. Like it kind of comes up from the bottom and like rotates in maybe. I don't know how UI animation works. I'll let you figure that out. Because you love animating, right? Right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I think I'll keep the. Trying to think. I don't know if 10% is a good default. Maybe it should be 20%. That feels too high.
Ah, shit, this won't work. I shouldn't do that. Bad, very bad move.
Well, we'll compromise. It'll be 15%.
What do you mean we'll compromise? Who are you compromising with? Yourself?
Yeah? Is that a problem?
Yeah, it's weird. You're weird.
Yeah?
Maybe.
I love Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper is the best.
Let's see. Loot. I don't know why the fuck I typed with Lotta. That was weird.
I don't know either.
I think it's because I got rid of an O in loot and then started typing table. Yeah, weird. and just didn't do the underscore. What if I played Dwarf Fortress right now? I was actually thinking about like having Dwarf Fortress up on like my side monitor and just like running over to.
You're just, like so evil.
Well, because like you don't really have to do a
I
whole lot
guess,
with the game. You just kind of like leave it running. They're
guess,
just dwarves, man. Until like something happens. Last night I was playing the game and I got raided by a fire demon, and the game.
Kind of fire.
It was actually not kind of fire. It was a lot of fire. So this is what he looked like. He wasn't very cool. In fact, he was the opposite. But he was a fire demon. He was a humanoid composed of flame.
And wait, vision not working. Hold up.
Let me know whenever you're looking.
Give me a second here.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm looking, but my biddy vision is broken.
Yeah. Any such biddy vision? Got this, man. I mean, I'll just go back to Godot while you're doing that. While you're figuring that one out.
There we go. I got it.
You got. Okay. So he looked like this. And so you see all of the fucking puff of whatever. So that's smoke. And Dwarf Fortress does this thing.
Why is the smoke like all disconnected? That's not what smoke looks like.
So it actually simulates the smoke. So the less like there is in a tile, the less smoke there is, and then it will disperse to other tiles. And also, what?
Doesn't look very realistic.
I need you dead. And also, because he's made of fire, everything he touches goes up in temperature, and Dwarf Fortress actually simulates the temperature of everything on the map. So, the game, which normally runs at about 150 updates a second on my computer, crawled to a fucking stop last night. And I mean a stop.
Nice.
I mean, it dropped to the point where it would take multiple seconds to run a single in-game tick, which was insane. So I actually had to go in and use cheaty tools to just like destroy him because, like, the
cheater.
game was not playable.
Cheater alert.
Yeah, the game just wasn't playable at that point. Not even because like, oh, he's so evil, whatever. It's just I couldn't let it go. It just wouldn't. I even closed and reopened the game, and it still just was like chugging.
I need to see if I can add a video vision button to my stream deck.
So these are the chests. What if I? That's fine. Tables.
Did I export the silly hat? No, I didn't. I always forget, what size am I exporting these as? These are all 16? Wait, or is it 24? 24, right? Yeah, 24.
Maybe.
I forgot what size I was exporting the all the items as. I'm pretty sure it's 24.
Did you know you can hold space while you're making a selection and move the selection around?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just like dumb and don't do it.
I mean, that's fair. Does this return true or false? Should set the property to value and return true, or false if it should be handled normally. Sick.
Thank you for the follow. I don't know who that was. It's not showing up as a notification for some reason. I just heard the sound. Okay, I need to remember how relics work.
Where the fuck did I put this at? I'm like... I feel dumb. Oh, here it is. Found it. Got it.
Let's go.
Wait, no, I'm stupid. Your favorite furry Bitlitic is back? Brother,
Let's go.
I'm not a furry.
Alright, bro.
I just have a really cool mascot for the channel. That's all.
Yep, this is true.
Alright, listen here, you motherfucker with hands. You got hands all over
I
your
don't got
fucking-
hands.
You got hands all over yourself. Why you got so many damn hands?
Not true.
What am I doing? What do I want to do with this? How do I want this to work? What do I want this to do? Chest, loot, table, minimum rarity. I'll just here. Chest. Sprite. Or not chest sprite. That's a texture PD.
I love all of the names for the relic scripts. None of them are at all what the relic actually is.
Sometimes they are.
We got attack speed relic. We got increased sticker slots relic. We got mana tier, whatever that does.
Maximum
Got
mana.
mana charm.
That's mana regen.
So they aren't the name of the actual item, and they aren't what it does. So they're just like.
Because I was like, what do you want it to be named? And I'm pretty sure you were like, I don't know. And I was like, all right, dog. Then I'm naming it whatever the fuck I want.
Yeah. It's so
And I
really
named
funny.
it after what made sense to me.
Yeah.
Because it makes sense to me. Sometimes. Should call this loot instead of table. I guess maybe potentially. I don't know.
I just realized on level changed on a lot of these. Oh, I guess it has the amount. Okay.
What's up?
So here, if it was added, it would add 50, and if it's removed, it would remove 50. Okay.
No, I don't believe. I believe on level changed amount is the amount of level that it is total.
Oh, okay.
I believe maybe not. Actually, I don't
So-
remember. I'll be honest.
Cool.
Oh no, amount is the amount it has changed by. A lot of them don't use that amount variable. They just reference level, I think, or something.
Okay. We just want to make sure that, like, Because I would imagine on-level change triggers when you add and remove.
Yes.
So we wouldn't want it to like do the same thing when you remove it as it does when you add it.
Yeah, I think what I did.
But
yeah, you can
we can
see
keep it
here,
in and see
like,
if people
for-
find any funny bugs.
Like for this one, it doesn't actually use the amount here.
Yeah.
It's instead of update properties, it references the level directly so that it like
Yeah, I see.
overrides it with the current one.
But for example, on here, I'm making just for fun. I wanted to see if I could make an item that adds a random sticker to every card.
Mm-hmm.
But I wouldn't want that to trigger if the level goes down. So I'd want to be like if amount is greater than 0.
Is it every card from henceforth, or is it every card?
Every card like currently in your deck. So it just triggers when you pick it up.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm thinking about something. I'm gonna test something because I'm worried now.
What?
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
I'm worried about it. Do you think the level change is different than I'm thinking?
I've just got things I'm thinking about. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
I'm worried about it. I'm worried about it.
Why are these not ordered in alphabetical order? Weird.
I'm trying to think. I thought I had something that added a random sticker. Oh yeah. The if I go to
Yeah, I might have to have you make a teensy tiny change, but it's okay. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, does it return the level, not the amount?
No,
that
so it
changed?
it does. So whenever you add, when you add it, it does level change by 1, level change by -1. But if I load into the level, it passes in 4 because it has to reset up the relics because the player doesn't exist and it has to know that it's been updated. But that's okay because there's a way to get around it and it's not even that bad. But
Well, this might actually just work. I might have made this work. The relic that I'm working on, I might have gotten it to work in like 2 seconds, which would be really cool.
Yeah, the only problem is if you were to add it and then like go to the next floor, it would add the stickers to the card again.
Yeah,
which is a problem.
Is that part of the bug that Axel found where you
Nope.
could infinitely increase mana? Okay, no.
Kind of, but no. That was certain stats weren't being reset when they should have been.
Oh, I don't think I actually set up the relic properly. Hold up.
Oh my god, that actually makes me so happy to look at. The fucking seeing you put like the I don't even know if you've ever used that method, but just like has open sticker slot, you're like, okay, dude, that's just like a...
No, I looked that up. I was just like,
yeah,
there's gotta be something with
There
stickers.
is.
I was like, I was going to be like max stickers minus
Nope.
like
It's
the
just- it's
number
a
of
thing.
stickers. I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah, I was like,
that was really nice.
yeah,
Rare bitlytic W.
dude, what the fuck?
We'll make this one legendary. Why not? I love the items. The items system is so great.
It is. There's a couple of
It-
oddities about
that's
it.
like
But it's like
one of
pretty
my
damn good.
favorite things to work on is just adding items because it's so easy. Perfectly cut off biddy hello.
Help! What am I doing? What was I doing?
Chinese animation canceling. Help.
Nope. You can't stop it. That's my wave dash sound. That's my jump sound, and then it gets canceled by my air
It
dodge.
just worked. It just worked.
Nice.
Look at that.
All right. I'm gonna kill your mind. Do Shift R L S and then load into flesh. Or level select. And then take a look at your cards. They have extra stickers on them? Question mark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine.
That's okay. So here's how you can fix that. So, nice description. So if you go into your code, where you're adding the level, you're doing the on amount change or on level change. So if you override the function register signals
Here.
and then do relic dot level changed, then you can do dot connect and then change the function name up there to whatever you connected that to there.
Oh, so change this.
Yeah.
Like, to like on update or something.
Yeah, because the on level changed is on update will be fine. Because that signal itself is actually only emitted whenever the level changes. And then the base relics function on level change is called creation.
Okay, I see.
I'm alive sometimes.
Or maybe I call this like on create or something. Since it only is when it's created, not like when it gets updated.
It should be when it's updated.
Well, I mean like whenever you create a new one is what I'm saying. Just
It's
like
only
in the sense if you get a new one.
Yeah, if you get another one, it would add another sticker because the levels change.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. What I was thinking is, well, I mean, the phrasing you were using was like on update included the when you load into a new level because it's like updating it.
Yeah.
It really doesn't matter.
Yeah, it
but
doesn't,
I like this one better.
Yeah. And that should actually.
There's probably something better we can do. Yeah. But...
Hopefully.
Hello.
Help. He doesn't even know which one's me.
Which one is real?
Real or fake?
Uh-oh. Oh, I need to, I didn't... This doesn't, pass in the amount, does it? Or wait, no. No, this should. Wait.
Should.
Yeah, why did that not work?
Is there an error in your debugger?
Probably.
No.
No?
Did you add the relic after the... Oh, wait. No. Why are you doing if amount is greater than 0? I don't know what the hell that is, but it shouldn't matter.
So like if the level... So that way if you remove one, it wouldn't trigger it again.
Sorry, what does that code say? I can't read it.
This here?
Yeah.
It's just if amount is... Oh, it's saying it should be returned. I'm stupid.
This should also be less than 0 because -1 it means you lost the level.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right.
But
a little dumb.
I still don't know why...
Let's see if this works out. Okay, yeah, no, it's working.
It didn't work before?
Yeah, it didn't work before. I think it was because...
I know what happened.
Also, I'm noticing that it lags significantly when I open up the menu with all these stickers.
Yeah. That's something that I'll fix. So I know one thing that's happening. Shit. Hold up, I might be like the wrongest motherfucker in the world. Give me a second. That's annoying, I think.
What
Hold
is?
on. So I know what's happening there. Is whenever, so if you were to clear, oh no, it's not gonna do anything.
See, it doesn't.
at
It
all.
doesn't do
Yeah.
anything because it'll max out.
So, this is something I didn't expect. So the problem is that it only emits the signal once the level goes, like once it actually gets modified. So since it's being created, it's the level, it starts at 1 and it doesn't be modified. It's not modified to 1.
Yeah. I mean, couldn't I just I'm thinking, wouldn't, I guess this isn't like an actual node, so it wouldn't have it ready.
that is a node, but
I mean, I could literally just say on ready.
almost
create, uncreate, call that.
No, because whenever the player loads into a new level, it would be the same issue as before.
Oh yeah.
Give me a sec to think about this.
Okay.
Does that work? Does that do something weird? Let's find out. Also, sorry, videos helped me so much when you started learning Godot, and even now, thank you. No problem. No problem. They will happen again. There will be... What the fuck is... Oh, there's an add random card button. I forgot that was a thing. That kind of like jump scared me a little bit.
Yep.
Ah, fuck. Hold on. You can keep doing whatever you were doing. It'll be a little change from me that I'll just send your way in a second.
Okay.
Or I mean, you can also just do whatever you were gonna do anyways, and then I can just push this up with changes whenever it happens.
All right. Okay. But hey, I got another sticker or another card already. It was really easy. I literally, in the loot box item, it does a similar thing where yeah. No, the loot box item.
Okay.
It adds a random card with 2 stickers on it. So it's just like I just take the code that adds the random stickers, so then I just pasted it here. And I needed like these 2 lines was to like go through the cards and see if it has an open sticker slot. Then everything else just worked. Sick. Which that will be the silly lollipop, and that also add random sticker to every card on pickup. Okay. Do we have an easy way to modify the soul cost? Like, is there like a property for that or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you? What do you mean? Like, what do you want to?
I want to have an item that reduces the soul cost of like a specific item type.
Yeah.
So like, reduce the cost of all summons, reduce the cost of all weapons, things like that.
Yeah, you should be able to. I think. Probably.
Yeah. Okay. Can't be that hard.
Yeah.
Probably take like 6 or 7 minutes to do, you know?
Right, buddy. We need you dead, I think. do
I'm trying to think what those items would be. I feel like they'd all be similar.
Can I do a
I should just make them magic colored crystals.
This feels gross and is probably wrong. We'll see if it does anything weird. Why does that say 2? Oh, because I added 2 apparently. No, I didn't. Fuck.
Rip. It's over.
Arcs? My goat?
No follow alert.
No follower. Yeah.
Biddy has like no alerts whatsoever. He will literally get raided and
This
it'll
is
take
true.
him like 10 minutes to realize, and then
Yes,
by
sir.
that time everybody has left.
Is there?
Then I have to tell him that he got raided.
Well, because I'm
he
like,
wouldn't notice
because
if I
like
didn't
I'm
tell him.
looking here. I'm looking. I pointed at my screen as if people could see it. I'm looking at the code.
He just
No, but
snips
okay.
up, plays a little sound, and you
Imagine
get
this.
raided.
I'm at
It's
the.
so simple.
Imagine I'm like eight levels deep in the stack of how this thing works, and I'm like on the fucking cusp of like, oh, my brain has this working, and then a follow alert goes off, and all of a sudden, all of those like bits of information, they're just like
Oh,
wiped
no.
away.
It's terrible. Chat
Yeah.
is more important than code.
That's crazy. Maybe true. Probably true.
Also, who's Arcs? Should I know Arcs?
Who's Arcs? What the fuck? That's crazy. That's evil.
What?
You don't know Arcs? Do you know the dinosaurs that I use in my videos?
The dinosaur? Is this the dinosaur?
Yeah, that's dinosaurs guy.
Wait, that's tough.
Yeah, these guys. This is
We
Arcs.
love dinosaurs, guys. Hold up.
At least that's like what you probably know him the most for. Yeah.
That's tough. Tough alert.
I make you sound famous?
You are
I mean,
famous.
like, kind of? Like, I'm fairly certain if I were to go to itch and then look at, like, top free assets, I'm fairly certain that yours comes up, like, very, very,
Can I get an autograph?
like, very high up. Let's see. I'm just gonna scroll and then
Can I get a
control
signed copy of the dino assets?
Yeah, like here. Like here's like the top popular assets on itch. And there's Sproutland, you know, of course. And then it's like Arcs is down. There's Sunnyland, that's another very popular one that I know. And then here's Arcs. It's like you know. It's still very popular. I mean, the sprites are like perfect for what I need, so they're like really popular to me, but let's see. That's a problem-ish. Pikmin 1 and 2 and Pikmin 3. What was the fucking song that what was the song that Northern Lion was doing a parody of? It was like a Wii song. Ninja Gaiden 1, Ninja Gaiden 2, Ninja Gaiden 3. Da-da-da-da-da. You know, that one. I love Northern Lion.
Oh yeah.
It's so funny and cool.
I know which one you're talking about.
Yeah. Base relic. See, you're a problem, buddy. You're such a problem.
You should replace me with Arcs for the artist for Dante sign.
Oh, no, hold on. Oh, you know what, Arcs? You're an artist. You'd probably, like, appreciate this. All artists are the same, right? Right, JW? Is that how that works?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the laser pointer. Whoa, it looks so cool, right? Hold on. Sorry, weird sound outside. And then if I add bouncy ball, bouncy laser, and then if I add more bouncy ball, more bouncy laser, and then prism, makes it go to the fucking moon. That wasn't prism, but prism.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Whoa, and then if I add is it caffeinated brew? Is that the inaccuracy? Yeah, let's add a new laser so it's not as egregious.
Yeah. This is like the one cool thing he's made. Everything else sucks.
That's true.
just kidding. I'm just
What's
kidding.
the op look like again?
He's
I don't
goated.
remember.
Hmm?
Oh yeah, the new op tracer. I missed the old one.
Oh yeah.
Because I coded it.
Yeah.
I
I
still
didn't like it.
don't know.
It was like half pixel perfect. It like wasn't quite. It was like kind of pixel perfect.
Why do you sound like that, dude? Also, I can make the worms wiggle around while I'm spawning them in. Where are they? Worm. Whoa.
Wait, place it on like the side so you can see it when you're paused.
What do you mean? Oh no, I removed that.
Oh, you removed that? Oh.
Yeah, I removed the
That'd be really
flaccid
funny.
worms.
When you would pause, they just fall over.
Yeah, I made them also be affected by gravity for like funsies, and I forgot to remove it. So if you paused the game, the worms would go flaccid. I'm still so I'm so happy that I took like an evening to add the debug, like spawn any scene that you want anywhere. It literally changes so much about like being able to debug. What do I want to do with this? I'm putting this on the back burner. I can't think about this right now, sorry.
That's okay.
Relic updated, or relic created signal or something like that. It's the first time it's added.
I need to figure out what I'm drawing.
Yeah. And then back to this.
I'm going to open Pinterest.
Also, how are you doing, Arx? How's life going? Did I not add a button to this? I thought I did. Maybe I didn't. I don't fucking know. Load chests would load from the path of util.get resource. No, load resources, browse data, loot tables, chests, res, trash. Invalid X type resource. For base type of dictionary. What are you talking about, dude? Why are we lying to me? Why are we lying?
I'm lying.
It's lying to me so much, dude. It's crazy. There? Are we good? Are you happy now? No. Invalid type resource for a base type of dictionary. So, oh, I'm stupid. There we go.
Sometimes.
So now if I hit this button, it should auto-populate the dictionary. I lied. Oh, because I have to reload script. Yes. Well, is nil. Callable as expected. Reload the whole last project, man. I don't even care at this point. Pretty good, pretty good. About to finish some education within the coming month. Nice. Anyway, just thought it'd been a while since I post anything. Busy string. Yeah, it's been mainly working on the cat game. Oh, let me find the image. Where's the easiest place to find the image? Can I do a from? No, I can't do a from Bitlytic. I remember that because this Discord likes making their platform less usable every single time I open it up. Let me find the image of I got something really cool to show if I can get to it really quickly. Here we go. Oh, this is a terrible image. Here we go. Here's a good image. This was the one with Toontown guy. So here's this. So we went to PAX, and we had the game on a backpack with a little banner, and people could play it, and that was really, really fun and cool. But yeah, it's called Dante's 9. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for stopping by and checking out, though. I'm glad to hear that life is going well for you as well. What kind of like education stuff were you doing? Like, is it like, I'm assuming it's like a college or like a post? I don't even know. I don't even know what the words are. Probably like a university level, I think. I don't know what the right term for that is. Like post-secondary? Is that what that's called? I think.
I don't know.
Also, hello MadQuest over in YouTube chat. How's it going? Flesh chest table. If I hit load, is that? It doesn't do anything. What the hell? Oh, it did. It just did an update.
Ellie?
What the hell? Wait. Just subsea. How do I? Is it notify property list changed? Is that the right one? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that works. I wonder how doable it would be.
I'm scared.
You should be. You should 100% be scared. So I'm trying to think of how to explain this. You know how rand weighted works, right?
Sure.
Okay, so the answer is no. That's fine. I'll open up a notepad, which I don't know what it's called on Linux. So if we have like 3 items of weights 0.5, 0.25, and 0.25, the items with 0.25 have half of the chance of being like picked as like the 0.5 one does. And if we have like 3 items that are like 0.1, 0.2, and 0.2, like all it does is it takes these 3 items and it sums them up. So like the total is 0.5. And then like your chance is like whatever this value is divided by the total. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that can be really hard to like keep track of. Like let's say we wanted it to always add up to like, 1. So let's say 60% chance for regular chests, 25% chance for uncommon chests. And then it's like, okay, well, how much do you add up to get to the total? That'd be like 0.15 to like 15%. And having you do math, I feel like is terrible. Like if you're like, okay, well, I want to decrease the chance of a rare loot
I can
chest.
do math. What are you talking about?
Well, like, okay. So, I mean, these right here add up to 1. So these are like exact percentages. But if you're like, okay, well, I want the rare chest to only be 10%. And you do like, okay, well, 0.1. Then like you don't change the other numbers, it's going to be not correct because this adds up to 0.95 instead of 1.
Yeah.
But you know what always adds up to 1? Or you know what's a good visualizer of always adding up to 1?
What?
You ever heard of a gradient before?
No, you're evil.
No, think
You're
about
evil.
it. Think about it for a second.
No, like you're evil.
No, think about it. Because it does.
You're like actually so evil.
It does, right? Like you can assign, if we have this set to a constant, each chest has their own color assigned to them. And if you change one, then it like adjusts the other, right?
That's so evil.
No, but it's right?
Oh.
Correct? It automatically updates it.
I guess, bro.
So I was thinking that I could make a gradient visualizer in here that would show the like associated like chances, and then you could adjust them here, and it would adapt that while you're in the editor.
That's so
Because it
messed
adds up, right?
Yeah, it does.
See, it's like not the most like outrageous thing ever. It's just like a little really weird.
Yeah, a little bit.
You have a bachelor already. It wasn't really helping you score any work. You're trying to see if vocational stuff will help you out. I hope it does. I really do. What kind of vocational stuff are you... Excuse me. I'm assuming it's related to the IT support comment right below that. Never mind. I can use context clues.
Smart Lytic.
Yes, sir. That makes a lot of sense. Do gradients... Okay, actually, new question. Do gradients have any signals built off of them? Like, don't have a signal. Ah, man. That might not work then, actually. Well, hold on. It does. It fucking does. It fucking does. Oh my god. Hold up. I'm going evil mode. Alright, get property list for assigning it. Var properties is an array of dictionary. I'll return that out. And then I will say properties dot append a new dictionary with a name. Gradient with a type is it texture type resource? What do you need to be? You're not a resource, you're not a property hint resource type. I don't believe there's a property hint texture type, is there? Property hint resource type, optionally if it's specified via hint string. Yes, sir. Hint string is texture 2D. And so if I reload this... Oh, that's not what the fuck I thought you should be. Why do you look like that? Property hint resource type. Oh, because you're a grade D? What? Hold on, I don't remember how properties work. Anyone know?
Nope.
Type. I know I do this elsewhere. Type float. I guess it would just be object, perhaps. Oh, I'm dumb. I see. Property and source type. Is it this? Yes, okay. So that renders, I can get rid of this export because that doesn't need to be it doesn't need to be consistent. Anyways, you're beginning heading out. Gotta watch some weeb stuff before you hit the hay. Based as fuck. What are you watching right now? What is there to watch right now, actually? I haven't caught up with any of the anime that's going on. I need to watch Dante on season 2. I need to watch that. Because I know that one's really fucking good. Spring season stacked with good shows. I'll have to check it out. I haven't watched anything seasonal. Like, I haven't done the seasonal watches in like a really long time. I wonder, when is ReZero Season 3 coming out? Or 4? Season 4? Oh, did that just start airing? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold up. Apparently that just started airing. Alright, well, I guess I'm watching seasonal anime this season. That's huge. ReZero Season 3 was so good.
Biddy, I have a question.
Yeah, what's up?
Is there a easy way to export all of the? Actually, never mind. I don't want to do that because I have to name them.
Okay.
Never mind. Don't worry about it.
What did you want to do though?
I wanted to see if I could export like all of these into the correct 24 by 24 at the same time.
You can at least put them into if you do the import sprite sheet thing that I did before, like it puts them into separate frames and you can go to each of the frames and save the individual ones. You can do like a Control Shift S and you can save the current frame as a PNG. Check out Yomi no Tsugai. Yomi no Tsugai. Demons of the Shadow Realm. Oh, you say it's by the guy that made Full Metal Alchemist. Yeah, I can see that. I just looked at the manga cover and I'm like, yeah, that looks like the same art style. I'll have to check it out. I'm gonna say it, I haven't ever watched Full Metal Alchemist, so sorry.
That's crazy.
That's one that I actually do need to watch because it's like one of those classic really good anime. You forgive me? I don't forgive myself, but I'm glad that you forgive me. How do I want this to work?
Wait, how did you do it?
What's up? Go to the layout and then like the thing that you were in before.
Layout?
Yeah. The constraint, I believe. You set the number of columns or something.
Okay.
And then you can set the number of actual columns. And then also if you select an area, you can do source just the selection that you made. I believe. Is there a selection thing in there? I can't actually read what's there.
There isn't. There isn't.
Oh, okay. Then you should be able to do Control-C, Control-N, Enter, and then Control-V. Control-C?
What?
Control-C?
Yeah.
Control-N.
Yeah.
Enter.
Enter.
Control-V.
What the?
There you go.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't know how to do any of that without the shortcuts, so...
You're evil.
Well, it's like that just... It does exactly what I need.
I still don't... What? Should we do like 12?
Let me see what I did. There's a...
I don't... Yeah, this is definitely not
sheet.
what you...
Sprite, borders, output. Let me get the... What did I do? What the fuck?
Bro telling me what to do when he doesn't even know what he did.
Oh, import sprite sheet. That one. There it is.
You're evil. Okay. Okay. Sure. We'll try it. Okay, yeah, that looks more like a...
Yeah, something a little bit more usable.
Wait. Oh, nice. I just put in a random number to see if it was the right number, and it happened to be the right number.
You
Oh,
can
that
also-
actually makes sense. Never mind the math.
Yeah, you can also drag the blue bars and shit, but if you don't want to
Okay.
do numbers, but numbers work well. Numbers are good. They're consistent.
Yeah, I just put 8 in for the padding and just hoped that it was right, and I was right.
Anyway, bye. Good luck, good luck. Thanks for stopping by. Good luck on your seasonal anime. Or I guess non-seasonal anime as well. Whatever you're watching.
But basically, I was making a change, because I had realized that, the new sprites that I was drawing have, like, the, 2-pixel outline for, like, the square border. You know what I'm talking about with the,
Mm-hmm.
when you do an outline with pixel art, you can either do it with, like, without the extra corner pixels or...
Yeah, either a circle or a square border.
Yeah.
Or softer, harder, sharper, whatever the fuck you want to
Yeah.
call it.
And I liked it better with the square, so...
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
So I went back and changed it. It just makes it a little bit thicker.
Sorry.
Hmm?
Nothing. I'm
Is there an issue?
No, I'm being funny.
There.
Just like rare. Very rare.
Yeah. Very rare.
So I think I can do like gradient dot get. I guess point count is probably the one that I care about, right? Well, probably return 3, yeah. So let's also do this. Const colors is an array of color. So what am I doing here? I'm doing on init or update. I'll do setup gradient void if not gradient. Do that. Otherwise, I will do gradient dot set color. If this doesn't exist, is this updated? Like if I were to do set color like 10, would that give me a 10? I'd imagine not. Is this an array? No. Fuck. How do I want to do this? Yeah, pretty much. I don't know what the hell. I'm doing some shit right now. I'm honestly, I'm kind of going to sleep and hoping, like, I'm putting my everything else to sleep, and I'm just hoping that my mind is able to just, like, do the rest of this for me. And so far, I am a little scared. So that's kind of cool. Okay, well, no error. Let's give this a reload, maybe, perhaps. That didn't seem to do what I wanted.
I accidentally outlined everything with the wrong color.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'm fixing it. Okay, I think we're all fixed. You did say you made it so that you can spawn salmon from anywhere though, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I will make the salmon item. Yeah, I mean, it's much easier to just reuse stuff. I mean, that's something that I was thinking about in terms of like rivals items. It's like a lot of the items are just like reuse stuff from other characters, but like it's still really fun.
Yeah.
Not everything needs to be like 100% original.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. That doesn't seem to have worked in the slightest, actually. That doesn't make sense. Am I stupid? Am I dumb? The answer may
Maybe a little
surprise you.
bit.
Wait, why the fuck is this updating any of these? None of these should be... I see.
Yeah.
Okay, I no longer see why in the world.
I completely forgot we had the Lucky Cat item as well. I need to figure out what that does.
Oh my god. Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
I successfully re-exported all of the items.
You successfully.
6-7 fully.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Hello, what do you mean it's 5 o'clock already? Hello?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get a few more items and then might wrap up because I need to practice some guitar, do some other stuff. Play Slay the
Okay.
Spire.
True.
Play the daily before it resets because I didn't play it last night.
Shit, dude. Actually, I don't know. I didn't play it
What's
last
the daily
night.
last
I
night
played
good?
it. I played it solo,
okay.
but on the beta branch. So I don't know if that's gonna be any different. Actually.
Yeah, maybe we look and see what it is, and if it's buttons, I'll just practice
Ooh.
guitar.
Ooh. Ah, I understand what's happening. My Godot just crashed. I just crashed my Godot. And I know exactly what I did. Sorry. My fault.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Don't open that resource back up. Thank you. Thank you, my goats.
We actually have a lot of items, like art-wise. I didn't even notice.
Yeah. Why? It's not. Shit. That still crashed my good.
Is the like description BB code?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, I try to enforce BB code enabled everywhere in the game as much as possible.
Okay, cool. Right, so I want to reduce.
Hmm? Oh, why can't... Are you speaking?
I accidentally tapped something, I think.
Ah, I think you can
Oh,
now.
I did. I think I accidentally tapped the thing that all of my computer parts are plugged into, or like the no, not power supply.
Oh god. He's out here dying. What the hell?
I did it again.
Oh no. Yeah, just stop messing with it.
Oh, I see. I think it's falling out of the wall slightly. Okay, I'll try to fix that later. But anyways, I want to reduce the cost of certain cards. There we go. We're back. I need to see if I can adjust that so it won't fall out, but that's fine. You can hear me, right?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Hey. Don't be
Hi.
mean.
Hello. Hi.
Hello. Okay.
Dude, this is insane. Can you look at this?
You can give me a second. Let me look. Okay, I'm looking.
So, common, rare, and uncommon, or actually, let's find out.
Can
Yes.
you make the colors match the actual rarity colors, please?
Sure, I guess. I don't even know what the fucking colors are, actually.
You've
Peak,
been working on this game for how long?
peak autism. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know it. Sorry. Kinda.
Is that Jerry? Hi, Jerry.
Jerry Yoshikage. Go. Hello. Sorry. Wait, can you not sort a dictionary? Am I like stupid? Oh no, you can. You totally can.
Okay. What is the best way to change the cost of an item or a card?
Hmm?
Like the soul cost. Should I is there like
a
a property
modifier.
for that? Okay, modifier.
Yeah,
Okay.
or property, sorry. Property is mana cost property.
Okay, so you
Should
should
be, hopefully.
add no set.
You should
Oh, wait.
get the property first.
Yeah.
Oh my god, your microphone is like dying right now. What the fuck?
Is it working?
Oh my. Maybe it's internet. Maybe it's your internet. I don't know though. Your Discord stream looks
Hold on.
fine.
No. That's not what it
Oh god.
was.
Sorry guys, JW's out here dying apparently.
Hello? Is this
Hello?
better?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. Hopefully. Let me check I think my OBS might have changed the mic input. Hold up. No, it's the right one. Okay, we're good.
Are you speaking now or are you dead? Oh no. His Discord stream is frozen. I think he may have died. Oh, there he goes. And just like that. Gone. Very quickly forgotten. I don't even remember who was here. It'd be so funny if I got like a message in my chat in like 2 seconds that says like, my PC crashed. He kept like poking at his computer because like a part was falling out or something, and then apparently his computer just like died.
No, I'm here.
Oh no,
Hello?
you're here? What the hell?
I don't know what the heck just happened. Okay.
I don't know.
I tried changing my mic input and
I think your stream ended.
Did my stream end?
I don't know, because it says chat is disabled for the stream. I'm assuming that's your YouTube stream.
But let me check on YouTube. But it
Nice.
shouldn't. I don't have auto.
Uh-oh. He's dying again. Still out of Godot for the first time? Let's fucking go. Doe. Have you used any other game engines, or are you just like... You're like, time to check out Godot? Because I would say maybe don't look at what I'm doing as like an example of good Godot. 'Cause I'm doing some evil shit right now. What am I doing actually? Set up gradient. Colors. Dodge. Clear.
Maybe I'm not live anymore.
Oh, welcome back.
It appears I am live on... Maybe not on YouTube, but maybe on Twitch. I can't tell anymore. Oh, I see.
Oh, he says, oh, I see, and then he died again. Very cool. I'm actually like kind of a huge fan of that, to be honest. Okay, I think that should work with what he was saying. Oh,
Genuinely have no clue what
Uh-oh.
is going on right now. Everything's breaking.
nice. My Godot just crashed because I'm doing evil shit, which is less problematic than whatever the fuck is going on your computer. So I guess you ended stream early today.
I guess.
Oh, there he goes again. You just finished recreating Bracky's 2D games tutorial. Let's go. Massive news. I will recommend to also check out other engines. I am personally a big fan of Godot, but if you haven't checked out other engines, I would say give those a shot. Just because they're worth checking out, in my opinion. So oh, because this was const before. But it's not const now. What a stupid piece of technology I've just made. This is like such like a niche, like I spent like an hour making this. And it is for the loot tables to make sure that they add up to 1. If I go in here and I drag these over, not that one, it will balance it out automatically. Cool. That does add up to 1. Sick. It's fun. Big fan, honestly. let's see, what do I want this to do? I want this to set up gradient, perhaps? And then I can go down here and under get property list, I can say if visualize. We can add that to the property list so that if I do this, now visualize is off. And then if I hit visualize, it pops up the gradient and I can edit it like so. And then I can turn that back off and it didn't do anything. That's fun. Why didn't it do anything actually? I don't know. I guess probably because this doesn't notify property list changed. Yeah, there we go. That works. And if I do that, that should reset it to basically default. Hooray! Yeah, that like works. I'm happy with that, honestly. Quite happy. And if I turn off visualize, this should actually be able to... Oh no, really? Oh, I know what's happening. I can do if val else util dot disconnect signal from gradient dot elif gradient gradient dot changed and on gradient changed, so that if I turn this off, this should... No? Really? Oh, because the load chest sets up the gradient. I see. Right. Yeah, you don't need to be doing that. Yeah, there we go. That fucking works. That's actually kind of sick. It's kind of sick, kind of nasty. Alright. Well, since JW has died, I think that might be where I end stream today. Doing something completely, absolutely pointless, but kind of cool and fun. So, we will be back on Tuesday, hopefully, if JW can figure out his computer issues. But I will catch you guys later. Bye-bye.